Hey you guys, what's up? Today I have for you guys another PR haul. I'm going to be showing you guys all of the packages that I've gotten in the last week. I have some really awesome packages to show you guys, so I'm really excited. I am super blue today. If you guys are wondering what is on my eyes, it is the Morphe and James Charles palette. I used it for the first time and I'm literally obsessed. I don't know how anybody ever had anything bad to say about it. I feel like the shadows performed so nicely. I'm gonna have a mini tutorial on this look up on my Instagram later this week. If you guys do not follow me on Instagram, make sure you guys follow me on there. I post mini tutorials, pictures, close-up eye shots. Also, I have been doing a bunch of giveaways on my Instagram lately. You guys do not want to miss out on those, so make sure you guys go follow me on there. I will have a link for all my other social media accounts in my description box below. So before we get into all of my PR packages, I would really appreciate it if you would give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Also, I am doing a huge giveaway right now that is going to be ending very soon. I will have a link for it in my description box below. It is 3 times the amount of prizes because I did team up with some other YouTubers for that giveaway. So make sure you guys click the link and go enter that. Today's post notification shout out goes to, I think it's either Jean or Jeanne maybe. Thank you so much for having your notifications turned on. If you want to be the next shout out in one of my upcoming videos, all you have to do is click the bell next to the subscribe button and then leave me a comment down below that you have notifications turned on, and that's it. All right, you guys, so let's go ahead and get started. So the first package I have to show you guys is from Getty. It came in this super cute little box. I think this packaging is really nice. So the first thing that they sent me is this Velveteen Blush and Shimmer Duo. So this is a blush and highlighter duo. The packaging feels very nice. I did open this one up, so there's some fingerprints already on it. And then there is the blush and highlight. The blush is a really pretty neutral shade, and then the highlighter is so gorgeous. It's a nice gold shade. And then here is the blush. The blush does have a little bit of a sheen to it. The next thing that they sent me is this Velveteen Highlighting Powder. I have used this already. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you did see me use this in a mini tutorial. I love this highlighter. Look how pretty that is. This shade is seriously stunning, and look at that pigmentation. Then we have this Basics Matte Eyeshadow Palette. I don't think I've even opened this up yet. The packaging is just a nice matte black. This is a nice neutral palette. They're obviously all matte shades. Let's go ahead and swatch. Wow. Okay, those feel these two fingers, not this one. Those felt very soft and buttery whenever I just swatched them. Let's do some of these lighter shades. There's 2 pink shades in here. Let's see. There are those. I still kind of have the other shadows on my fingers, so those look really nice. I'm gonna have to try this out. And then the last thing that came in this package is their long-lasting lip color, and this is in the shade Sensual Nude. So here is what it looks like. This looks really interesting. The color looks right up my alley. This is my favorite kind of mauve-y nude shade. So let's see, no transfer long wear. What is this? So this is a double, let me read the directions. This is a double-sided liquid lipstick. There are no directions, I'm confused. So on one side, there's a clear liquid. I wonder if it's one of those lipsticks where you put on the colored shade and then maybe you put the clear over top and it seals it in, and it's completely transfer proof and lasts a really long time. I'm gonna have to test this out and give you guys an update on this. So that is everything that I got from Getty. A big thank you to them for sending me all of these awesome products. I'm really excited to try them out. So the next PR package that I have here is from one of my favorite brands. You guys already know. This is from Grande Cosmetics, and they sent me this little package because they are now gonna be in Ulta stores. They're also gonna have a bunch of their products online. It came with this little card just showing that they're going into Ulta. They sent me a lot of backups of my favorite products. So they sent me some backups of the Grande Lash MD and then the Grande Brow. You guys know I can't live without these. I can finally just wear mascara and not wear fake eyelashes because my lashes are actually there now. So then they also sent me a backup of their Grande mascara. This is their lash boosting mascara. I love this stuff. And then they sent me their Grande Lips Hydrating Lip Plumper in the shade Clear. This is just a plumping lip gloss. I'm pretty sure I already have this, so maybe this will be in one of my upcoming giveaways. The next thing in this little box is the Grande Tweeze. I don't know why I'm really excited about these. I really like getting like little tools like this, and I feel like you can always use another pair of tweezers. They also sent me their Grande Bling Lash Curler, which I actually already have. It's right here, so that will probably be in my next giveaway as well. They also sent me a backup of the Grande Brow Fill Tinted Brow Gel. This is in the shade Light. I really like this as well. I like to wear this on its own. And then we have the Grande Liner, which is their lash boosting liner. I think I used this in one of my recent videos. And then we also have the Grande Primer, which you guys know I love. That is everything that came in that PR package. Thank you so much, Grande Cosmetics, for sending me all of these products. The next PR package I'm like really excited about. This is my first PR package from this brand. I got this package from Pure right here. It comes with another cute little tie. I think these are so cute with the little ribbons like this. All right, so inside we have a bunch of their primers, and I have heard so many good things about these, so I am really, really excited to try these out. So the first one we have here is their Redness Reducing Primer. This says it's a 4-in-1 correcting primer that reduces redness. So this is for people who have a lot of redness from breakouts, irritation, or rosacea. I do get a lot of redness in my face from breakouts, so I'm really excited to try that. So the next one we have here is their Hydrate and Balance Primer. This one says it's for people who have oily or sensitive skin and prefer a primer with no silicone. So I normally like a primer without silicone, so I'm really happy that this one came in this set. It says it's an oil-free formula that gives you up to 72 hours of immediate hydration while keeping your skin mattified all day. This is probably going to be the one that I am going to like the most. Next up, we have this one, which is the Energize and Rescue Primer. It says if you like to combine the step of moisturizing and priming all in one fast, easy step before makeup application, then this one is, I guess, for you. It says it has aloe, coconut water, and probiotics. The next one we have here is this peachy one. It says it's for dark circles, age spots, freckles, and uneven skin tone. I have freckles on my face, but I don't personally mind them, so I don't know why you would want to cover your freckles, I guess. And then the last one that came in this PR set is the Prep and Perfect Primer. This one says it's good for people who have very visible pores, and it helps your makeup last longer. So I'm really excited about all of these. The only one I'm not really sure about is the Dark Spot Corrector, but I don't know, I'm gonna have to definitely test them out. Thank you so much, Pure, for sending me all of these primers. So the last PR package that I have to show you guys is literally giant. This is from Pixi. They never fail to send like the biggest package ever. All right, so when you open it up, here is what comes inside. How cute is this? It's like a little board game. You spin the arrow and then it lands on what skincare product to use. I thought this was so cute. So the first thing that came in this PR package are these Pixi Glow Glycolic Boost Brightening Infusion Sheet Masks. They sent me 3 of these. I'm really excited. I've seen a ton of people using these on Instagram, so yeah, I'm really excited to try these. It says they have glycolic acid, ginseng, and witch hazel. It says instant brightening and hydrating effect sheet mask. The next thing in this package is this Skin Treats T-Zone Peel Off Mask. I've also seen a lot of people using this on Instagram. This is a purifying peel-off mask. It says this detoxifying mask draws out impurities and peels off to reveal immediate results. A unique green superfood blend helps refresh and refine. Great for congested skin. I definitely have congested skin right in my T-zone. I've never tried any of Pixi's skincare products, so I'm like really excited about this package. I've always wanted to try their Glow Tonic. I've heard such good things about that. Next up, we have this Peel and Polish. I believe this is also a mask. No, this is a resurfacing concentrate. So it says this is a radiance revealing enzyme peel. I guess it is a mask then. It says salon peel treatment made easy at home. Natural fruit enzymes exfoliate and polish, lifting away dead skin cells to reveal a more smooth and radiant and healthy complexion. So this looks really cool as well. Then we have another mask. This is their Glow Mud Mask. This one is a pore clearing, glow revealing mask. This also has aloe vera, ginseng, and mineral rich mud. And then we have their Detoxify Depuffing Eye Patches. These are just like those little jelly eye masks that you put underneath your eyes. And then the last thing that came in this PR package is this little washcloth. I thought this was a really cute touch. Thank you so much, Pixie, for sending me this amazing PR package. I'm so excited to try all of these skincare products out. All right, you guys, those are all of the PR packages that I've gotten in the last week. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Also, make sure you guys enter that giveaway I mentioned at the beginning of today's video. It will be linked in my description box below. I'm also going to have links to all of the products that I mentioned in today's video there as well if you guys want to check any of them out. And before you leave, make sure you click the bell next to the subscribe button so you can receive notifications of when I post new videos. Thank you so much for watching.